Alors, hi everyone, welcome in the course Positive Mindset Methodology. It's the video number 5 and today we are going to talk about the difficulties and the challenge you can face when you are an entrepreneur and when you are developing a new business. We are not going to talk about the problems in terms of finance, strategy, marketing or operation. We are mainly going to talk about the attitude because the attitude is absolutely everything, is the foundation. Okay, alors number 1, be prepared because you will be misunderstood. You will make things, you will do the thing differently and the people, they will not understand, your relatives, maybe even your family and your friends, they will not understand what you are doing. They will ask you why you take this kind of decision, why you do that like that. But be sure that when you will succeed, they will ask you, how did you do it to achieve this great result? Okay, then you will be misunderstood, this is for sure. Okay, but if you want to reach the result of the 5% of the population, you need to be ready to do what the 95% of the population is not willing to do. You will do differently, and this is of course will make you very special and different from other people. Alors number 2, it's going to be uncomfortable. Why? Because to develop new habits, new behavior and to let behind your old self, it will require from you a lot of effort. Maybe facing newness, maybe facing uncertainty, it's not going to be easy, but you will need to jump if you want to go on. At that point, it's very important to be grounded and to have some tools to help you to develop this self-confidence and this attitude. Okay, then this is the key. Develop a positive mindset. This is the best attitude you can do. All right. Number 3, you will need to push yourself beyond the limits. You will need to go for this extra mile, to perform more, you know, to go over. For example, when you go for the gym and when you want to exercise and you have a coach and he will ask you to do, for example, 10 push-ups, and when you just finish these 10 push-ups, you are exhausted and he will ask you to do 2 or 3 or 5 more, you will say it's impossible. But with your coach, when he pushes you, he will help you to go beyond your limits. You will do for sure these 5 push-ups. Okay, then this means that you need to be able to do that on your own, and if you cannot, I really strongly recommend to take a coach to help you to go beyond your limits. And finally, you need to be ready to confront your fears, because of course you will be exposed to newness, to everything which is uncertain. You need to confront to that, even to be able to confront to the worst case scenario. Most probably during this journey you will be, I will say, procrastinating, and you need to find a way to beat this procrastination. I will suggest to you to implement in your daily routine this idea of the micro wins. You know, you just decide to reach 4 or 5 small goals during your day. So when you reach the end of the day, you have this feeling that you achieved something. It will help you to develop this sense of success, and this small success will help you to build your confidence. Success builds confidence, confidence creates activities, and activities will help you to reach great results. Okay, it's enough for today. Feel free to go back to the previous video because it's a full set with it's a real methodology to develop your positive mindset, and I will see you soon into the next video.